somehow you are managing the organizational structure, becomes a matrix organization. Two bosses. One in the geography and one somewhere in the headquarters. It's a culture. Not necessarily every manager can adapt to an organizational structure reporting somehow to two different bosses. Sometimes there are clashes.
Okay.
Now from this point of view, for instance, from the Hungarian people to adapt to be for the operation manager, was a lady, for her to be part of the global, to be part or report to the global operation manager of Teva, or something good. For another company, a Western company, to report in the same organizational structure.
Yes.
We are losing our independence, which means the position was negative. So it depends upon the culture.
So independence is more the autonomy of the people to do what they are used to do?
Yeah. People, matrix organization means that somebody else in the headquarters are part of your decision-making processes. As an HR, the guy HR in the acquired company is on one hand is part of my organization as HR. On the other hand, his boss is the president of the company. Our system, or my recommendation will be that the corporate will manage the acquired management team in a dotted line. And the line will be between the geographical unity, between the HR and between the manager. I will be in dotted line, which means I have to fight to convince and not by rank, to convince the HR on based on the professional experience of myself to do this and this and so on.
So but formally is under another manager, have to report formally to another manager, but to communicate with you or with HR top executives from the buying company, you as a manager need more to convince him to cooperate with you.
In a dotted line situation.
Yes.
Some companies, or I don't remember if 30% of companies worldwide don't agree with the system. From their point of view, the corporate is the line management and the geographical manager is dotted line.
Okay.
And sometimes there is line and line or dotted, different approach. Companies have different approaches vis-a-vis this matrixing organization. But to assimilate in an acquired company a matrix organization structure or different structure takes time.
Okay.
It takes time, it is a lot of training investment, and people don't accept it so simple.